In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a community on X. Maybe you joined a community that's no longer relevant to you, or you just want to clean up your feed a bit. Whatever the reason, leaving a community on X is simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can follow along on your own account. First, open X on your computer or in your browser and head to your main profile dashboard. This is the screen where you see your profile picture on the left, your timeline in the middle, and a menu running down the left-hand side. Make sure you're logged into the account that's actually a member of the community you want to leave. On that left-hand menu, look for the option labeled More. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Click on More to open up an extra menu of features and settings that aren't shown by default. From the expanded menu that appears, click on Communities. This will take you to the Communities section of X, where you can see communities you're part of, as well as ones suggested to you. At the top of this communities page, click on Home. This tab focuses on communities you're already in, and it's the easiest way to find the one you want to leave. Now, scroll through this page until you see the community you'd like to leave. You'll notice that each community appears with a post style card, and in the top right corner of that specific community, you'll see a small people icon. Click on the community itself using that area to open the community's main profile page. Once you're on the community's profile, look for the button that shows your current membership status. Since you're already a member, this button will give you the option to leave. Click on Leave. X may slightly adjust how this button looks over time, but it will clearly indicate the option to leave the community. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you really want to leave. This step is important because once you leave, you'll stop seeing posts from that community in your community feed. Go ahead and click Leave again to confirm. After you confirm, you'll no longer be a member of that community, and it should disappear from your active communities list. If you ever change your mind, you can search for it again and request to rejoin, depending on the community's settings.